Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you guys my hair straightening routine. For this I will be needing a red tail comb like this and a regular white tooth comb like this one. And here is a tip: if you have dry and frizzy hair, always use a white tooth comb like this one, and it is best for getting out tangles. Then I will be using this Coriolis straightener, which is one of my favorites, with lovely pink color. It works just like magic. You can use any hair straightener of your choice, and here I'm taking a heat protectant serum. You can take any brand, whichever is available to you. So first I'm combing my hair by using the white tooth comb and applying the heat protectant serum all over my hair. And next I'm combing my hair again using the same comb. Now I'll take a very small section of my hair from the back, and for the rest of the hair I'm going to pin them up, and I'm going to further divide them into two sections, left and right, and combing it to make sure that they are tangle free. For better result, comb your hair in between. It will make sure to straighten your hair perfectly without any tangles. And while doing straightening, pick small sections. It will make sure that the heat gets distributed all over your hair, and you get perfect straight hair. And I'm repeating the same process on the other side as well. I just need to swipe 2 times only, and you will get pinpoint straight hair with this straightener. You can swipe it for about 3 to 4 times as well if needed, and it will stay for up to 3 to 5 days until I wash my hair. Okay, so same way I'm repeating the same process, and I'm just taking another section from back, pinning the rest of the hair up, and repeating the same process. This way it will speed up the straightening process. To complete the whole process, it takes me about 12 to 15 minutes as per my hair length. Now I'm taking another section from the crown area and combing them and dividing them into two sections. From this part it will be a little different, so while straightening I'm creating a bump like outward by twisting the straightener a little bit like so. And I'm following the same process with the rest of my hair. Same way, I'm taking another section from the crown area and repeating the same process by twisting the iron outward. This will create more lifted effect and give more volume at the crown area, as well as your hair will fall beautifully at the front or back. And finally I'm taking the last hair section from the front and straightening the hair by repeating the same process. and then remove any hair clip from the back. And you can keep your hair bangs whichever side you want. You can comb and style your hair however you want them. Here I'm just showing you to create an easy puff, but I will just leave my hair open. And here is the finished look. As you can see, I have a beautiful straight and lifted bang here. So I hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed this. And don't forget to hit the like button. You can share this video with your lovely friends. Please write your comments. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care guys. Bye bye.